Good morning! Happy Saturday, guys! I'm vlogging mal. I'm back.
Good morning, people.
Good morning, guys. Tapos na si Dan. Nagising siya. You woke up at 9. And then, got a shower. Nagising ako kasi narinig ko yung shower niya. I woke up at around 9:30, took a shower. And we will have, like, brunch with the fam bam. Kasama si Miss. She's getting ready. Ano natin siya. And then, dadalhin ata namin siya sa zoo. Good morning!
Zoo! Good morning!
Napakagulo ng Kailangan natin tong... Nilagay ko kasi yan dyan para hindi makalimutan ba na i-go through niya. After niya yan mag-go through, lagay na natin yan sa ibang kwarto. Kasi para lang hindi niya makalimutan. Dinry ko na yung buhok ko. I will... gusto ko nang gamitin yung bigay ni Dan. Yun kasi yung bagong hair straightener ko. Kaya lang sabi niya, wag mo munang i-open sa birthday mo na. Kasi, di ba, magdusa ako ngayon. So, yung gamit ko is yung Remington. Buti na lang hindi ko siya dinonate. Kasi kung dinonate ko siya, wala ako talaga. Meron ako nung isa, yung Irresistible Me. Ito guys, yung Black Diamond. Nakahanap ako ng... nahanapan ako na Dan ng adapter. So, nagamit ko siya. Pero hindi siya maganda. Yung plates niya, parang naiipit yung buhok na instead of ma-straight siya, parang nagsastuck yung buhok dun. Na basta, umiipit talaga siya. I don't know. Parang the way it's, hindi ko alam kung yung plate or kung the way it's designed. Kasi meron siyang pa-ridge dyan sa gitna ng isang plate niya. Pero hindi talaga siya maganda. Ang ganda pa naman niya tingnan. Pero, yeah, hindi siya maganda. Para sa buhok ko lang ha. Yung buhok ko kasi very fine. Tapos, konti lang sila. So, kailangan silang ingatan. Kaya yung mga pangbuhok ko, yung pinipili ko, bahala na mahal. Basta, yung, like, okay sa buhok ba, yung inaalagaan yung buhok. Ito, Remington yung gamit ko ngayon. Smooth finish ceramic. Ang tagal lang nito sa akin. Ang mura lang nito. Siguro mga $20. Like, hindi siya the best straightener. Pero it works. And, yung mga inaano ko is yung baba lang naman para hindi siya magkakalat-kalat kasi itong yung likod. See? Ganyan lang naman yung inaano ko. Sinistraight ko. So, ngayon na ito yung gamit ko as much as possible, hindi ako like sobrang like from dito talaga to dito. Kasi yung buhok ko bumabalik na siya ng konti. Hindi na siya kagaya nung dati na parang paano na talaga tayo. Pa-road to Calbones here. Road to Calbones. And siguro yung sa lifestyle din, di ba? Hindi na ako like stressed na ako, but not like as stressed as before. Wait, ay, ano ba? Napunta ako doon para i-on siya. Hindi siya kasing bilis mag-init compared sa yung luma ko. Yung nasira. Nasira siya doon. Hindi ko naman yun binili. Binigay yun sa akin ng brand. And gusto-gusto ko talaga siya. Siya yung lagi kong ginagamit, yung GHD. Yeah. Tapos, ayun, nasira siya. Pero I've been using that for more than, siguro, close to 3 years. So, okay na din. Like, I got my, well, sabihin ko sana, I got my money back. Pero hindi ko naman yung dinayaran. Ready na kami, guys! We're ready to go! Asan na yung aking shoes? Ay, parang yung shoes. Asan yung shoes ko? Agoy, wala pa dyan. Hindi ko anak yung shoes da. Ayun na lang, kanina lang lang. Sandal. Wala mali. Nagpalit ako ng shoes. Wala pa lang yung shoes ko. Walang shoelaces. Kasi nilabhan ko eh. Yes, sir. Oh, thank you, babe. Kalimutan ko na naman yung aking phone. Yung phone case ko pala, galing Casetify. Ganda, di ba, guys? Okay ka na? Pasok ka muna ka kasi yun ko yung alarm. Pasok ka sa car, uy! Ready? We're on our way! May patiknik siya, guys. Hindi nagdala ng bag.
Uy, grabe si ate. May weed naman dito.
Wala daw siyang bag. So, meaning walang wallet. Babe, she didn't bring a bag. No wallet, no laptop. Joke lang, oy.
Yan.
Ano kami guys, breakfast with the fam bam. Kasama yung mama ni Dan, si Pete, and then kambal ni Dan. Tsaka yung family ng kambal niya. Wala yung kuya niya. Ang ganda ng pa-outfit namin ni Miss. Blazer look. Naka-blazer kami dalawa ngayon. Ganda nito. Mapapanood niyo yung video na yun soon. Yes.
Sissy. So my mum's name's Sharon.
Sharon.
Sharon. Sister is Antonetta.
Or aunt.
Or aunt. Aunt's fine. Husband's called Tristan.
Tristan.
Yeah.
Her
and,
husband, yeah.
And the kids, the biggest one's called Eli. And the baby's called Theo.
Theo.
Yeah. So you don't have to remember it, just give you a
And
bit
Pete,
of
babe.
Pete's not going to be there.
Oh, he's not gonna be there. Oh, golf.
We'll be playing golf today.
Ah, wala pala si Pete, guys. Joke lang pala yun kanina. Dito na kami, guys. Hindi ako mag-vlog doon. So, see you guys later. Tapos na ang brunch. Nandito kami sa Kmart, guys. Bibilhin ko yung kulang sa ano ko. Sa closet ko ba, yung pang-organize. She met the fan bam.
Closet.
Yeah. Lagyan ng mga, ano ba, undergarments, socks. Yung ganito. Yung meron ako ngayon, ganito. Mali. Pero mahaba. Gusto ko mahaba.
That one?
Yeah.
Panties?
Oo. Pwede paglagyan. Wait sa ha? Kasi paglagyan ako ha. Wait sa ha? Actually, I should be alright. How much is this? $5. Yung meron ako ngayon. Mas maganda tong mga to. Sa kitchen area to, yeah. Utensil tray. Pero yung binili ko, ito. Large and wide. Hala, is that $8 or $6? I think that's 8. Or wait, that's handlers. Ito 6, wait, 41.
Clear drawer, large and wide.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's the one. $6. Tatlo yung binili ko. Ayan na. Ang aking tagalala. Si Dan may tawag. Okay na tayo. I'll get this as well. Chinek ko sa clearance para kay mama. Pangdagdag. Ganda kayo. Ano yan? Ay? Guys, dito kami sa Gorge Wildlife Park. Dito na naman kami. Pangatlong beses na namin ni Dan dito. Or ko dito. Si Dan siguro more pa. Dito si Miss. Nag-feed siya ng kangaroo. Yung sa camel cruise, guys. Yung nag-feed ka ng camel. May dalawang malaking camel. Kasi may sakit daw yung isa. So, ano daw siya? Under strict surveillance. 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 Na, tsaka smell. Ay. May sakit sila eh. Yung isa may sakit daw. Feeling ko yan, may sakit yan. Yung maliit, miss.
Yeah, yung maliit kasi walang gana. Ito gutom. Gutom.
Suot-suot ko yung bag na bigay ni Tita Sexy. Thank you. Thank you po. Oh, you hungry, buddy? We can't feed you. Sensya ka.
Baho ka pagkain.
Kinsa? Turkey man na, di ba? I don't know.
It's a turkey.
Well, Dan said it's a turkey. Hala, miss, tanawa, miss. Oh. Jump ang usa.
Jump ka ba?
Go, buddy.
He's ready to attack that one.
This is a cute one.
Yeah.
Kaniyo gwapo ni nga kangaroo.
Wapo ka?
Gwapo siya. Ala, miss, tara, miss. Lan.
Wala na, mag-ambas na.
Sige na, okay na. Napaka-cute.
Pinakuha niyo yung pagkain.
And then he'll put it back. Nice. Sige ha, ibalik niya.
That is so clever.
Yeah.
That was a good idea for that one.
Yeah.
It's like this is all shit.
More coming as well. Hello. Ay, he didn't even eat mo. Water? Ayo, babe. Sige, babe. Teach him, babe.
Bukas. Bukas. And they got a goat coming for you?
Sumay, manungay yan na sila. Gutom, besh.
Food overload.
Say, gutom.
Napaka-say ha.
Hello. Sige na, hello, good na. Hello.
That is all.
Yeah, that's all.
You guys want a drink?
That's all.
Kate.
Naulay?
Yeah. Kita na. Oh, kita na.
Ako to the unlock ni
Lakay ka. Ang lain.
Bahay na kami, guys. Nag-take away kami ng pizza. Masarap tong pizza na to. Diba? Nauna na siya. Masarap, babe. Yummers. This is cheeseburger pizza. Yummers dia siya. In fairness sa kanya.
Have you cheeseburger pizza before?
Yeah, it's really good ni.
You like it?
Cheeseburger pizza from Killer Tomato. Yan siya, guys. Na-try namin to nung nag-dinner kami sa bahay ng kambal ni Dan. Tapos, masarap siya. Share kami nito kasi mamayang gabi pa daw kami. Late pa daw kami mag-dinner. Kasi punta kami Chinatown.
We're going to eat for another 5 and a bit hours.
Yeah.
No, your oven place might be open.
Yeah?
It's there. So
No, I think it's,
closed.
nandito kami sa Goodyear Street. Dinala namin si Miss dito. Maghanap kami na makakain. Late na. Matagal kami nagstay sa bahay. Nanood kami ng The Bachelorette na siguro mga 3-4 na episodes. Ata yun? 5 episodes? No, we didn't finish the 5th one. Tatapusin namin yun mamaya. Now we're here. Maghanap kami ng open na makakainan. Ito adjacent ramen pero close na sila. Wala ng tao. So, hindi namin alam saan kami kakain. Meron pa namang iba open, pero konti na lang. Guys, kanina pa kami palakad-lakad. So, dito kami sa Pepper Lunch. Dito kami sa Pepper Lunch. Si Dan, kinain niya yung leftover na pizza kanina. So, dessert lang siya. Salted caramel ice cream. Mamaya daw mag-ano kami. Magde-dessert kami. Hindi na siya dessert, drink, bubble tea. May nakita kami bubble tea kanina. Sana lang mag-open yung bubble tea. Open pa yun. Ha? You be careful with your... That's alright.
That's alright.
Nakapatong
How
na
many
kayo
cameras have you
dyan.
brought? 10?
3? 2. No, 1. Just 1. I broke 1 camera, yun lang. Yung sa lips ko, may bilin. Ginamit din ni Miss yung sa lips ko, may bilin din. Maganda, di ba? Pinapanood niya yung video namin. Yung vlog ko, don't touch it. Kasi baka mahulog kayo. Pinatong ko kayo dito, oh. Diyan kayo nakapatong. Okay lang naman na. Okay lang naman kayo, eh.
Don't use the cans, put it on.
Okay. Cans. Ito yung akin. In-order ko classic beef. Si Don, kung ano-ano na ginawa niya sa ice cream niya. Nilagyan niya ng Pepsi para daw what do you call it? Spider? Spider yung tawag nila. Parang Coke float sa atin ba? Spider. Spider, kaka. Guys, libre na naman. Hindi na naman nagdala ng wallet.
No, I actually asked them.
She offered, she's like, do you have payway? Do you have payway?
They do.
Yeah, that's normal.
And then you said like, no.
Yeah, we got this tomorrow.
Tomorrow's gonna be like,
Tomorrow daw, babe. Ooh, that's yours. Nag-offer siya, guys. Okay. Oh, that's hers. That's the one with cheese.
my teeth pa sa
Mas dapat magdunong ko ng mga sauce, babe. Masarap, guys. Nilagyan ko siya ng ito, sweet sauce at saka garlic sauce. Yan, sarap siya. No? Still good. Lami, no? Lami.
Are you going to come to Mum's for breakfast tomorrow or not?
Do you wanna go? Breakfast to Sharon's tomorrow?
You don't have to. Like, you guys don't have, you don't want to come, you don't have to.
It's early.
It's early.
What do you think of Sharon?
just not happy with
Ano saan? Not happy with? Oh. Si Miss, hindi kumuha ng travel insurance. Sinabihan namin si Sharon. No way! You got to have it! Wait. Sabi ano? You wanna try, man? Tengok kan, dalamnya. Ya, dalamnya sana kan kimchi.
Don't you think this is like Japanese? Or
Dalamnya no. Tama, garlic and sweet. She likes mine better.
Fishing?
No, probably I need to put garlic. More garlic.
Yeah. But take note, you have cheese as well.
Chuck the weather. The open's going to rain on Friday.
Have some, babe.
No, I'm full. That pizza was good.
Yeah. I have
Okay. I probably had half the pizza then, maybe more.
How many slices of pizza did you have?
Me?
No, wait.
Three.
3. Okay. There's one left, I probably had
Me?
7 or 8.
Langan magtinin.
For you. 3. 2. Only?
Wait, that's good ha? Kasi usually I only eat one. Is it?
Kita ba sa video ayun eh ako.
I-appeal ko na. Takap ako ng sound effect. Boing.
There's a Filipino festival in Adelaide this weekend.
Really?
Yeah.
We're not here.
And I,
We have a Filipino festival as well. New Zealand. And then they do have like New Zealand. Yeah. Pageants.
You want to join? Grabe na makatawa mo.
no, cause you did that on purpose. Like, do you want to join? Like, yeah, you just right. Rose wants to join a beauty pageant here.
Grabe siya. Would you allow me if I wanna join?
Yeah,
Little
yeah.
Miss Australia.
Little Miss Philippines.
Little miss here, little miss.
Dito si Mark, guys. Hi, guys, Kakel. Makoy. Pakainin mo si Mark.
Feedback. Everyone feedback.
Nga sabi. Nga sa. Nga.
Ah.
Cute ang buang. Bahay na kami, guys. Tulog ka na, Miss? Good night. Bye. Good night. Good night, guys. Ha? Mag-skincare. Kami lay off sa kuan. Heater. Ay, si Danny Boy naliligo. Ito pala yung nabili ko sa Kmart kanina. 3 ganito. Yung large and wide. Lalagyan ko siya ng mga undergarments. Tapos yung mga swimwear, ilalagay ko dyan kasi hindi ko pa sila na-organize ng maayos. And then mga scarf, yung mga accessories ba. And then ito yung binili ko na parang blouse, t-shirt na cinch yung baba. Or like elastic yung baba. Para kay Mama Bells. Yun lang. Itabi muna natin to dito. Yun lang yung vlog, guys. Sobrang thank you guys for watching. I hope nagustuhan nyo. Please like this video if you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys hopefully soon. Bye, guys. Be good. Bye. Mwah.